What's up, guys? You're welcome to Forex Success. This is Colin Silva right here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to analyze the market. Yes, how to analyze any market. Just simple price action. How you can get into the chart, be able to read the chart, and be able to predict the direction of the market. That is what I'm going to be showing you on this video. So we're going to be using EURUSD to learn today. So right, just take caution and just stay attentive and listen to every information I'm going to be passing to you on this video. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. All right, so let's get started. First thing you want to know about markets, if you want to be able to read the chart successfully, you need to understand market structure, because this is one of the most important criteria or the most important principle you need to understand about the chart. Market structure actually implies whether the market is forming higher highs or higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows. That is to know whether market is on a bullish momentum or a bearish momentum. So once you're able to identify this, it's now easier for you to predict, okay, because this market is on a bullish momentum, I am still expecting it to go bullish, or because this market is bearish, I am expecting it to come further to the downside. And this is how you are able to make money trading Forex. This is how you're able to have an edge in Forex trading, especially using price action. So let's get started on my chart right now. So on my chart, I have EURUSD right here, and if I'm to go to a daily time frame, because I like going to the higher time frame to foresee what is happening in the market, that is, see the bigger picture before I come down to lower time frame and take a trade. So now on daily time frame, I can see this movement, this clear movement right here on EURUSD, which is like this. EURUSD gave this from this low, EURUSD gave this high, then came down for a low here, a new high, and then low, then a high to this point. And now the same EURUSD came down here. So following market structure, which implies higher highs and higher lows, I can clearly see that this is a low, then a high, a low, higher high, higher low, then a higher high, and then now market came down for an equal low. Since this was the last low, market came down for an equal low right here. Is that okay? So right, market came down for an equal low right at that point. So now, because we have an equal low right here, this is a support zone right now, or a demand zone. And at this point, we need to know what the market is going to do. The market needs to give further signs, further reasons that it's going to reject this support level and push to the upside, or it's going to break it, and then we will now be expecting bearish movement on the market. So this is like an indecision zone where we need to wait for the market to do something before we can take action. Remember, you don't trade what's on your mind, you trade what you see. As at now, this market is just at an indecision zone. So this is the best time to observe the market. This is from daily time frame. But when I move to 4-hour time frame now, I'm going to see a clearer picture right now. So on 4-hour time frame, which I am currently in, you can see this is a trade I took on Monday morning. First thing as market opened on Monday morning, I caught this trade right here, and then I took on this buy, and then I see this as a retracement because I have already taken partial profit at this point, and then I'm seeing this retracement, so I'm waiting for price to continue this retracement, probably bounce on this trend line and continue up to go hit my take profit area. So that is what I'm just waiting for on this market right now. So on 4-hour time frame, as I'm explaining further, I can see 4-hour time frame is clearly on the bearish market structure. How? I'm going to explain that. This is how you can know 4-hour time frame is on a clearly bearish market structure, because it is forming lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs. You can see this is a lower high, and then this is a lower low, whereby this is a lower high, then this is a lower low. You can see. So what should I expect? I'm expecting it to go from a lower high again, then probably come for an equal low, because to at least come for an equal low, simply because this is a support level. a support level that's a very strong support level, or it's gonna break further to the downside to form a lower low. But however, an equal low is expected based on market structure, based on price action principle. You get that, guys? Okay, so that is why I am expecting this to happen. But however, a retracement needs to happen at least around here, around this zone, before it will drop. 50% of profit is taken already on this trade in case you just want to drop further. So this is how we can be able to analyze this market. So I'm just following simple market structure, and I can easily predict that, okay, this is what the market is going to do. This is what the market is going to do from simple market structure. So I'm just going to delete. Okay, let me leave this. Beautiful. So now this is 4-hour time frame, and I can see this retracement already happening. If I go to 1 hour time frame, like I said, we go to the higher time frame, see the bigger picture, then come down to lower time frame and take amazing trades. That is just how we do it here. So at daily time frame or at 1 hour time frame, I can clearly see that as at this point, let me get this tool again. Okay, watch this, guys. As at this point here, this market was forming higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, until this point where it gave an equal high here, equal high, just right there. Getting this to, all right, let's do this, guys. This is it. Okay, use this. This is my cursor right now. So until this point where this market gave an equal high, and that equal high is simply called a double top. This is the first top and this is the second top. So this is simply a double top. So price broke this double top, and what is expected? It is expected that price should come give a retest of that double top formation, and that is why I am expecting price to come tap into this red line before it drops. And there is something you need to know about impulse move, and okay, this is what you need to understand. The way market moves, when market is retracing, it is usually slower, it takes longer time, and it forms more candle. But when market is actually making an impulsive move, it's actually faster and it forms lesser candles, just like this. This is a retracement. This is what we call A to B and C to D movement. So this is the retracement movement, which is usually slower, forming more candles, taking longer time. And this is the impulsive move, whereby market is faster, creating lesser number of candles. And this is another retracement again, which is also slower, forming more numbers of candles. You understand? So at this point, or the retracement phase, market forms more number of candles, but for the impulsive move, it forms less number of candles and market are faster. So for me, seeing that it's forming more number of candles at this retracement point, just like it did before, I am actually, this is giving me another clue that what I'm getting now is actually just a retracement and market is going to drop. As simple as that. So this is how I can get to analyze this market and understand what the market is going to do. I am very sure price will push up to the upside and then drop all the way to the downside, probably with the news of FOMC that's upcoming today. So that's just how it is, guys. This is how you can understand this market structure. It is quite simple. People, the students in the Forex Success Academy, this is what we teach them right there, so that they get to know how this market principles work. So that's just it, guys. And make sure you hit this red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop amazing videos like this. And do well to hit that red subscribe button. Do well to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to a friend so that he or she can learn something from this video. And do well to join our Telegram community. The link is at the description of this video. And if you're interested in mastering this Forex trading, you want to like have an edge in the market, then you can do well to join the Forex Success Academy. Hit us on our DM and so that you can enroll for the academy. So thank you once again for watching. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and also we are now on Twitter, so do well to follow us.